In the heart of ancient Persia lived a man named Omar Khayyam. Born in 1048 AD, he became a beacon of knowledge and creativity. Khayyam's brilliance shone in many fields. He was a mathematician, astronomer, philosopher and poet. His work continues to inspire us centuries later. Khayyam's journey began in Nishapur, Persia. This city was a renowned center of learning. He received a well-rounded education, immersing himself in various subjects. His thirst for knowledge led him to explore new horizons and make groundbreaking discoveries. Khayyam's legacy is a testament to the power of a curious mind. He didn't limit himself to one field of study. Instead, he embraced the interconnectedness of knowledge. His diverse contributions continue to shape our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Omar Khayyam made significant strides in mathematics. His work in algebra was particularly groundbreaking. He explored the solutions to cubic equations. These equations had puzzled mathematicians for centuries. Khayyam's insights advanced the field significantly. One of his most important works was Treatise on Demonstration of Problems of Algebra. In this book, he presented a systematic way of solving cubic equations. He used geometric methods to find their solutions. Khayyam's contributions weren't limited to algebra. He also made important contributions to geometry. He explored the concept of parallel lines. His work laid the foundation for later advancements in this field. His work in mathematics wasn't just theoretical. He applied his knowledge to solve practical problems. This approach made his contributions even more impactful. Omar Khayyam's curiosity wasn't confined to Earth. He was also fascinated by the cosmos. He made significant contributions to the field of astronomy. His work helped refine our understanding of the heavens. In 1074, Sultan Malik Shah I commissioned Khayyam with a crucial task. He was asked to create a new calendar. This calendar needed to be more accurate than the existing ones. Khayyam rose to the challenge. The result was the Jalali calendar. This calendar was remarkably precise. It was even more accurate than the Gregorian calendar. This calendar is still in use in some parts of the world today. This is a testament to Khayyam's astronomical genius. Khayyam's contributions to astronomy extended beyond calendars. He also made observations of the stars. His work helped improve our understanding of the celestial sphere. Omar Khayyam's legacy is vast and multifaceted. He was a true polymath. His work transcended disciplinary boundaries. Centuries after his death, we continue to marvel at his genius. His contributions to mathematics laid the groundwork for future discoveries. His work in astronomy helped us better understand our place in the cosmos, and his poetry continues to move and inspire readers around the world. Khayyam's life reminds us that knowledge knows no bounds. His unwavering curiosity and pursuit of truth continue to inspire generations of scholars, scientists, and artists. He left an indelible mark on the world. His legacy will endure for centuries to come.